Hi, this is Mats Eriksson doing my second screencast for ATM 101 at the University of Alaska Fairbanks. This last week I've done my observations in Fairbanks in the interior of Alaska. The observations are done on the UAF campus situated northwest of the city of Fairbanks on a small hill with a view over the Tanana Valley. There are some buildings around my observation site, and it's also next to the forest. Here's the graph showing the temperatures for this last week. I did my observations between 7:30 and 9 in the morning. It was not really light outside, but I still had enough light to see at least south of my observation site, so I could see the sky. The temperatures were on Monday I had 26 degrees Fahrenheit, Tuesday 24 degrees Fahrenheit, Wednesday 15 degrees Fahrenheit, Thursday it dropped down to 4 degrees Fahrenheit, and Friday it was 2 degrees Fahrenheit. The highest temperature was recorded on Tuesday when I had 28.4 degrees Fahrenheit, and the lowest temperature was on Thursday when I had 1 degree Fahrenheit. The biggest variation between the high and low temperature in one day was on Wednesday when there was a 16-degree difference between high and low. So on Wednesday something happened and it got colder. This is the graph showing the atmospheric pressure I had this week. The low was 1012 and the high was 1025, and it increased steadily throughout the week. I put the two graphs for the atmospheric pressure and the temperature next to each other so we can all see how there's a relationship between the two, that as the pressure increases, the temperature decreases. There has been almost no wind in Fairbanks this week, only possibly a slight breeze coming from uh, southwest at my observation site. The cloud cover, well, I guess there hasn't really been a cloud cover. I've had mostly clear skies. On Thursday, some form of low clouds were seen over the valley. It could also be some kind of fog. It was a really thick fog, I would say, down around the Alaska range on Thursday morning. Not at first when I did my observation, but maybe a little later, around 10, I would say. I could barely see the mountains. Friday morning was clear, but I saw some really weird clouds, and I couldn't really figure out what they were because they were moving really fast, and I didn't feel any wind in my face. But then I realized it was actually the smokestack from the power plant. So, well, I guess that's how it is sometimes. So clear skies mostly this week. And that's it for this week, so thank you for listening.